Today, we are thrilled to introduce to you an upcoming low-maintenance neighborhood by Lennar called Aspen Grove. And I am currently standing in the Brunswick floor plan, which is one of the floor plans that will be offered at one of their newest neighborhoods. Now, today we will hear from Mayana about all the details.
Hi, I'm Ayana, your new home consultant at Lennar's newest active adult community, Aspen Grove. Located in Gwinnett County's beautiful city of Grayson, just off Highway 78 on Moon Road, Aspen Grove has 161 home sites and will feature Lennar's most popular ranch-style homes starting in the low 300s, from 1,600 square feet to over 2,100 square feet. These beautiful homes offer additional square footage with optional second-story lofts, screen patios, and full unfinished basements. What makes Aspen Grove especially appealing is the low-maintenance lifestyle. Here, the Homeowners Association handles all lawn care. No more spending time doing yard work and maintaining an older home. It's time to have fun and enjoy what you've worked hard to achieve. Aspen Grove has just opened for sales with several new homes already in process and delivery scheduled as early as October. To schedule an appointment, you can find us online at lennar.com/Atlanta or call us at 404-931-7462.
So if you're looking for an active adult community with ranch-style homes in Grayson, Aspen Grove might be right for you. And in the meantime, to get updates, you can always join the VIP list on their website.